Guys, Little Star here, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing Merida from Brave. Here's the front of the box. The side of the box. Here's the back of the box and the other characters for this set. And the other side of the box. Right guys, let's unbox this. Right guys, so here's Merida out of the box. And I do like the pose that they've put her in, this action pose. It's very cinematic, with the hair flowing in the wind. And she has a bow already drawn, ready to shoot. And her dress is all flowy as well. There's a lot of detail on her arms and her hair. She's quite a heavy pop because of the hair. The hair's pretty solid. But yes, a very nice Disney princess's pop. Right guys, so that was Merida from Brave. I hope you enjoy the video.